Have you ever looked at an old black and white family photograph and wondered what it might have looked like in color? Whether you're preserving your family history, creating a memorial tribute, or preparing a funeral program, today's AI tools can transform old black and white photos into beautiful, full-color images in just minutes. The amazing part is that you don't need to be a graphic designer or know Photoshop. With the right prompt, AI can do much of the work for you. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site. If you're looking for practical tips, helpful tutorials, and compassionate guidance on preserving cherished memories, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to write better prompts that produce more realistic results, explain what AI gets right and what it doesn't, and share prompts you can copy and use on your own family photographs. Alright, so let's get started. Why colorize old family photos? A colorized photograph often creates a stronger emotional connection. Seeing a grandparent's blue eyes, the warm tones of their skin, or the color of a favorite dress can make someone who lived decades ago feel surprisingly present. For memorial services, colorized photos are frequently used in funeral programs, memorial prayer cards, tribute videos, memorial websites, large display portraits, guest books, keepsake bookmarks. While the original black and white photograph will always have historical value, a carefully colorized version can become a cherished keepsake for future generations. Before asking AI to colorize your photograph, start with the best image you have available. If possible, scan the photograph at a high resolution. Avoid photographing it in poor lighting. Make sure the image is sharp. Crop away unnecessary borders. Leave scratches and fading visible if you plan to ask AI to repair them. The better the original image, the better the final result. Many people simply upload a photograph and type, "Colorize this photo." While that works, it usually produces average results. Instead, give AI specific instructions. Here's a prompt you can copy. Colorize this black and white family photograph using realistic, natural colors. Preserve the person's facial features, expression, hairstyle, clothing details, lighting, and background. Do not modernize the image or change the person's appearance. Keep the restoration subtle and historically appropriate. Notice what this prompt does. It doesn't just ask for color. It tells AI what not to change. That often makes a huge difference. Many old photographs show the effects of time and years of handling. It is common to find scratches across the surface, small tears along the edges, water damage that leaves stains or discoloration, and dust spots that obscure important details. Deep creases from folding or improper storage can also distract from the image, while fading often causes colors to disappear and faces to lose their clarity. Even though these imperfections may seem permanent, modern AI photo restoration techniques can often repair much of the damage and help preserve these treasured family memories for future generations. Instead of repairing those separately, combine everything into one prompt. Try this. Restore this old family photograph by repairing scratches, tears, stains, fading, and minor damage. After restoration, add realistic natural color while preserving the person's identity, clothing, facial features, and the original composition. This tells AI exactly what order to perform the work. One important thing to remember: AI doesn't know what colors were actually present. It makes educated guesses. If your grandmother wore a blue dress, AI may decide it was green. If your grandfather had brown eyes, AI might make them blue. That's why adding details improves accuracy. For example, the woman had brown eyes, dark brown hair, and wore a pale blue dress. Keep all colors soft and historically accurate for the 1940s. Those few details can dramatically improve the result. Sometimes AI becomes a little too creative. It may make someone look younger. Change facial proportions. Alter the hairstyle. Smooth wrinkles or change facial expressions. To prevent that, use this prompt. Preserve the person's identity exactly as shown. Do not alter facial structure, age, hairstyle, expression, or distinguishing features. Only restore damage and add realistic color. This is especially important when creating memorial portraits. Families want to recognize the person, not a digitally reimagined version. If you're restoring a photograph for a funeral program or memorial display, you may also want to improve clarity. Here's a prompt designed specifically for memorial use. Restore and colorize this family portrait for use in a memorial service. Improve clarity, lighting, and sharpness while preserving the person's true appearance. Use soft, respectful colors suitable for printing in a funeral program or displaying as a memorial portrait. This keeps the restoration tasteful and natural. AI is impressive, but it isn't perfect. It can occasionally invent colors, misinterpret uniforms, change jewelry, add details that weren't originally there, miscolor flowers, guess incorrect skin tones, or create unrealistic lighting. Always compare the restored image with the original before printing. If something doesn't look right, adjust the prompt and generate another version. Sometimes one additional sentence completely changes the outcome. Once you're happy with the restoration, download the highest resolution version available. That gives you much better print quality when using your photo in funeral programs, memorial prayer cards, keepsake bookmarks, posters, canvas prints, tribute slideshows, and online memorial websites. A low-resolution image may look fine on your screen, but may appear blurry when printed. Artificial intelligence has made photo restoration easier than ever before. But the best results don't come from simply clicking a button. They come from giving AI clear instructions. The better your prompt, the better your restoration. And when those restored photographs become part of a funeral program, memorial display, or treasured family album, you're preserving more than just an image. You're helping preserve a family's history for future generations. If you found these prompts helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on photo restoration, funeral program design, memorial keepsakes, and practical AI techniques that anyone can use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.